So if you're watching this, you probably got no money. And the thing is, you probably actually do, right? And so we're going to go over how you could actually stop being poor, because most likely you're not actually poor. You're just making very bad choices, right? So how to stop being poor, and so that you can get rich and not really care about anything else. And the thing that you got to understand is that making more money doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to not be poor, right? Because money comes in, but money also goes out, and you need to control both, right? And a lot of people really only control how much money is coming in. So they think that, oh, if I could just out earn my expenses, I'm fine. But look, the majority of people who are poor because they end up buying stupid stuff. So you need to stop buying stupid stuff, right? So for instance, let's take a Starbucks coffee. Nothing against the company, but let's just take it as an example. And there's some Starbucks coffees that can go up to $10 a cup, okay? And let's say that you get your morning daily coffee, which is about $10 per day. And there's 30 days averaged per month. So that's $300 on average every single month that you're spending on just coffee. That's not any food. That's not any snacks during the day. That's not like breakfast, lunch, dinner, however you're eating, right? That's nothing else, right? That's just coffee. And it could be a car insurance payment, and health insurance payment, a utility bill. So think about that for a second. This single action of buying an over pricey cup of coffee can really have drastic measures on your personal finances, right? Especially if you're not thinking about it, right? Because you got to be really wary of what you spend your money on, because let's face facts. Most people go throughout their day on a day-to-day basis, and they're really not thinking, how much money did I spend today? What did I eat today, and how much was that? Oh, maybe I should have gotten the non-brand name item, right? And some people do this at Walmart. Some people do this with their phones. And the thing is, if you do this in one area of your life, you most likely do it in almost every aspect of your life, right? This is the same thing with the whole gas prices, like the different octanes. For the average person, it really doesn't matter which octane you use, but people think, oh, if you just put 93 octane in your car, then it's got to be better, right? Not necessarily, because depending on your car, it really doesn't matter which type of octane you actually put into it. Now, if you got a supercar, yeah, you probably should put 93 octane. But even then, your car can still go from point A to point B fine for the lifetime of the car. So you got to really, really, really stop spending money on stupid.